welcome back to my channel Chubby Makeovers, and today we'll be talking about a magical hair mask which I have prepared, and this you can also easily have prepared at your home. Just we'll be needing 4 ingredients which are usually available in everyone's kitchen. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it now. Let's get started, friends. So all the ingredients which I'll be needing, I've kept it aside. This is mustard oil, coconut oil, curd, fenugreek seeds. These seeds I have soaked in water overnight, and after that it will look like this. Now we have to make a paste of all these things. Do not throw this water. I'll be putting this in the blender. Okay, so as we all know, these seeds, there's a lot of benefit associated to them. They not only kill bacteria and fungi present on the scalp, but also strengthen hair follicle, promote hair growth, and have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which help in eliminating dandruff and prevent hair fall. Now second thing is curd. We'll be going to mix it. I've taken 3 tablespoons. You can take it according to the length of your hair, and it has the ability to soften and moisturize your hair. It also reduces frizz and aids in hair growth. I'll also be adding a tablespoon of coconut oil. This is parachute coconut oil. I have filled it in this bottle, and this will also prevent hair breakage and your split ends, and also add shine to your hair and soften them. So the last thing is mustard oil, and 1 tablespoon I'll be adding it. This is according to my hair length. Again, you can add it according to yours. This will stimulate hair growth by increasing blood circulation in the scalp, and contain protein and omega-3 fatty acid, which help in nourishment of the hair. Not only it will give your hair a shine and make them darker, but also thicken your hair if you are suffering from hair thinning problem. Now I'll be grinding all the ingredients together to make a paste. So your paste should look like this, and the consistency should not be very flowy. It should be thick like this, so that it should not get much messy when we are applying it. You can also keep it in the refrigerator for 1 day, but for best result I would suggest to use it there and there only. I'll take it out in a bowl. So our paste is already ready. Now how we have to apply it? First we'll apply it on our scalp. So for that, apply it directly on your scalp, little by little. So in this way you have to cover your entire scalp. See, I am taking very thin sections, and then I am applying it on my scalp. As I have applied it on my scalp, and now I will be massaging it with the help of my fingertips for another 2 to 3 minutes. So rest of the product, now I have applied it in length of my hair. Now I will be tying a bun. Once you are done with your mask application, cover it with a shower cap and leave it like this for another 40 to 45 minutes. And then wash it with a mild shampoo and followed by a conditioner. Do try this pack twice a week for best result, and you will see a major difference. If you are suffering from hair fall or dandruff, or you have frizz in your hair, you will see a major difference, and you will get rid of them. And if you are not following me on Instagram, I will be leaving my handle in the description box. Do follow me there, and if you are having any issues, or if you want any video to be made on skin related problems or hair problem, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much.